all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all some of the super easy last minute gift ideas for Mother's Day. Because Mother's Day is round the corner and if you don't know, it is on 10th, the Sunday. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.
So for the first, nothing is better than breakfast in bed. For this, take potatoes, add onions, tomatoes, capsicum and carrot or basically anything of your choice. Then add chaat masala, red chili powder, salt, coriander powder. I'll leave the exact measurements in the description box down below. Then mix them well. Then take 3 spoons of maida and add pizza seasoning, or you can use chili flakes as well. Then mix them well until you get this consistency. Now take a bread and spread the mixture on the bread and apply some ghee or oil on the pan. Then spread the paste on the bread and place it on the pan facing downwards like so, and do this until it becomes brown from both the sides. This recipe is inspired by Shilpkar from Foods and Flavors, and yeah, it is super easy peasy and tasty as well. Now for this, paint some ice cream sticks and paste them on a piece of paper. Then take a clip and paste it in the upper center. Then make 5 to 6 triangles and paste them on a thread and then attach the thread like this on the top. Then write best on it with a heart. Now write more on a sheet of paper. And cut it out. Then paste it in the bottom. Now write your message on a sheet of paper and clip it. Then attach a magnet on the back side of it and our fridge magnet is ready. For this, take any container and some glitter. Apply Fevicol on the container and dip it in the glitter. Now rub off the excess. Then repeat the same process with other glitters as well. It'll turn out to be a really cute flower pot. And to be honest, my mother is totally into flowers. Once you are done with it, add a ribbon, or you can also write you are the best mom or anything for your mom. And your flower pot is ready. This is how it looks. For this, take Shilpkar or any other air drying clay and roll it till it becomes white, and then flatten it and take any container, apply some powder and let it stay there for like 5 to 6 hours. Once it dried, I have painted galaxy on the inside, and to be honest, this is my favorite from today's video. Now for this, take a sheet of paper and fold it in half. Now paste 3 hearts like so in the middle and copy the design. I have taken inspiration from the Pinterest and I think this looks cute, and to be honest, Mother's Day is incomplete without a cute card. Now I have written I look up to you mom on the top and I love you on the bottom. Now for the inside, paste any picture and then add some detailings like I have pasted these flower cutouts. Then added leaves design here and there with green pencil color and written my note. You can also write anything on the left side as well. Then I have added small detailings here and there to make it look more cuter. And this is how it looks.
Last but not the least, help her with some household chores and in general too. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what else you guys do to make her feel special. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, I will meet you guys next time. Until then, bye.